If you work in spreadsheets of any kind, you've probably used Excel at some point in your life. And although Excel is an incredibly powerful tool, it also costs money to use, something not everyone might be willing to pay for. Thankfully, Google Sheets is a great free alternative to Excel, offering similar functionality for absolutely free. While Sheets may not offer the same level of advanced features as Microsoft's offering, if you know how to utilize its tools properly, you can get quite a bit done with Sheets. If you're looking for a great example of how powerful Sheets can get, look no further than Conditional Formatting. It lets you apply customized formatting to different data sets by creating new or using existing conditional formatting rules. This feature is most commonly used for highlighting specific values in a spreadsheet, so if you're looking to highlight the highest value in Sheets, you'll need to use conditional formatting. Open your spreadsheet on your PC, then click on Format in the top menu bar. Scroll down and select Conditional Formatting. This will open a dialog box on the right side of the screen, displaying a single color tab by default. Click on the table icon below the Apply to Range section. A pop-up box will open, allowing you to select a data range. Click on the column from which you want to highlight the highest value, then hit OK. Next, go to the Format Cells If option in the Conditional Formatting Rules menu and expand the drop-down menu. Scroll all the way down and click on the Custom Formula Is option. Enter the formula found in the description below in the Value or Formula box, and you'll be set to go. You can also use the same feature to highlight the lowest value. Use the same steps we just described, but replace the max keyword in the command with min. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Google Sheets and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.